Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
Is your family expanding or you just need a little more space? Maybe you've got grandkids coming home for the weekend. This family added a full 2-story addition that had 2 full bedroom and bathroom suites. They've got plenty of sleeping space and plenty of bathrooms where nobody has to share. We were able to add a large bedroom space, so there's plenty of room for a king bed, for a sitting area, for all of your dressers. We've got nice French doors opening out onto the patio and lots of windows for this warm light. Now in this great new bathroom, everybody has plenty of space. Nobody's fighting over the sink to brush their teeth or taking a shower. We've got this great walk-in tiled shower with pretty pebble detailing. Everybody has room. The second bedroom suite is just as spacious. Plenty of room for a bed, for a sitting area. They've even got space for a desk if you need to work while away from home. If kids come and have a crib or a playpen for kids, there's just plenty of room up here. And we've got another spacious bathroom because, again, we don't want anybody fighting over the shower. Not only are the bedrooms really spacious, the bathrooms have plenty of room as well. And they kept it really timeless. These vanities have a nice dusk gray paint. The quartz tops have a minimal veining, but it's kind of bold. It will stand the test of time. And of course, we have another shower because we don't want people fighting over the showers. And one of the best parts of this addition is these French doors leading to this beautiful deck. So if you're not quite sure what you want your project to look like, the F&S Building Innovations team can help you from design to completion. We can do 3D renderings that will help you achieve what you're looking for, and then you'll see it come to life.